Breaking update coming in at the Kerala gold scam. The Enforcement Directorate, which had taken, in fact, the former Principal Secretary to the Kerala Chief Minister into custody, has now gotten 7-day custody of M. Shiv Shankar. This comes even as the ED has made a sensational claim about the kind of evidence they have against Shiv Shankar, saying they have WhatsApp chats between the ex-Principal Secretary and the main accused Swapna Suresh, which in fact revealed that Swapna had requested Shiv Shankar to intervene with the airport terminal manager for the clearance of the diplomatic baggage which had the gold in it. Gopi Krishnan Unithan is joining us with more details on this. Gopi, even as you know, there's mounting evidence against Shiv Shankar now. What comes as a huge boost for the investigative agencies is that they've now got more custody of Shiv Shankar.
Well, absolutely, Akshita. The ED has now got 7 days custody of M. Shiv Shankar. So if you look at the series of events that has been unfolding over the last 24 hours, Shiv Shankar was taken into custody immediately after his anticipatory bail plea was rejected, dismissed by the Kerala High Court yesterday morning. So that happened at around 10:45. Last morning, he was taken from Trivandrum to Kochi in the ED vehicle. There they continued to question him. The interrogation went on for hours and hours. And at around late night at 10:30, 11 is when the ED recorded the arrest of M. Shiv Shankar. After that, after completing the due procedures, he was presented before the court, the Chief Judicial Principal Sessions Court in Ernakulam, where he was presented, and the court has now granted 7 days custody of M. Shiv Shankar. So actually the ED has actually sought for 1 week, 2 weeks custody, but that did not happen. It's interesting to note that Shiv Shankar's counsel did not oppose the move or oppose the demand for custody, and they did not actually file any counter against the custody notice of ED. So it will be really interesting to see what are the outcomes of further investigation in this case. Already, Shiv Shankar was questioned for almost 90 hours by various central intelligence agencies in connection with this case.
Gopi, if you could also just give us more details about these WhatsApp chats that the ED is referring to that seem to further incriminate Shiv Shankar and establishes his link with the main accused Swapna.
Well, Akshita, the WhatsApp chat that actually the ED refers to here are the conversations between M. Shiv Shankar, Swapna Suresh, and M. Shiv Shankar, Venugopal. Venugopal is actually a chartered accountant of M. Shiv Shankar, and Swapna Suresh, in one of her statements, she had said that at a point when she wanted a chartered accountant for her financial transactions, M. Shiv Shankar had assisted by providing or referring his own chartered accountant, Mr. Venugopal. So we also managed to go through that chat conversations which were released by the investigating agencies, and in that actually Shiv Shankar can actually be we can actually see that Shiv Shankar is trying to tell this Venugopal that we must make sure that all the documents are proper, and I hope all the documents are properly in your hand, and if we stick to the actual facts, there won't be any trouble, is what Shiv Shankar was actually saying. So it's actually a little murkier on what is the actual evidence the investigating agencies are having, because even we also managed to go through some of these documents and evidences. In that, we do not really see a point where Shiv Shankar seems to be evading the law or evading in any of the actual laws of the land. So certainly, maybe the ED has procured more evidences in this regard, which may come out during the later course of investigation.
The sense is that Shiv Shankar is very much cooperating with the agencies, but there is a lot of incriminating evidence now that he'll have to answer for WhatsApp chats. There's a lot of digital evidence also against him now, according to the ED. Gopi, thank you for getting us those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.